Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear friends. How are you? Welcome to my Zahid MS Point Tutor channel. So in this video, my topic today about art. So now I will describe in this video the topic art. So now you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So now I will start about art topic. Art is a diverse range of human activity and its resulting product that involves creative or imaginative talent, generally expressive of technical proficiency, beauty, and emotional power of conceptual ideas. There is no generally agreed definition of what constitutes art, and its interpretation has varied greatly throughout history and cross cultures in the Western tradition and three classical branches of visual art: painting, sculpture, and horticulture, theater, dance, and other performed arts, as well as literature, music, film, and other media such as interactive media are included in the border of definition of the arts. Until the 17th century, art referred to any skill or mastery and was not definitive from crafts or sciences. In modern usage after the 17th century, where aesthetic considerations are paramount, the fine arts are separated and distinguished from acquired skills in general, such as decorative or applied arts. The nature of art and related concepts such as creativity and interpretation are explored in the branch of philosophy known as aesthetics. The resulting artworks are studied the professional fields of art, criticism, and the history of art. Our view in the perspective of the history of art, destructive works have existed for almost as long as humankind, from early prehistoric art to contemporary art. However, some theorists think that the logical concept of artistic works does not fit well outside modern Western societies. One only some of the definition of art is closely related to the older Latin meaning, which roughly translate to skill or craft as associated with words such as artisan. Artisan English words derived from the meaning include artifact, artisan, artificial, and mason arts and military arts. However, there are many other colloquial colloquial uses of the word, all with some relation to the etymology. Our time philosophers like Plato, Aristotle, Socrates, and Immanuel Kant, among others, questioned the meaning of art. Several diagnoses in Plato tackle questions about art. Socrates says that the poetry is inspired by the masses and is not rational. He speaks appropriately of this and other forms of duodenine madness in the Phaedrus, and yet in the Republic want to outlaw Homer's great poetic art and large skill in iron. Socrates gives no hint of the disposal of Homer that he expresses the Republic. The dialogue alone suggests that Homer's Iliad functioned in the ancient Greek world as the Bible does today in the modern Christian world. A divinely inspired laboratory art that can provide moral guidance if only it can be properly interpreted. With regards to the laboratory art and the musical arts, Aristotle considered epic property, tragedy, comedy, theatrical, poetry, and music to be mimetic or imitative art, each varying in implementation by comedy, by medium, object, and manner. For example, music imitates with the media of rhythm and harmony, whereas dance imitates with rhythm alone and poetry with language. So friends, how is my topic today? I hope you enjoy this my topic. for my art topic. So friends, if you are like this topic, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. So now I am going to my another topic. Allah Hafiz, we will meet next video. Allah Hafiz.